Hello and welcome to the Slalom of Death.
We've got me on the controls and Mark on the camera.
I'm recording, Rob.
Oh no!
And we're going to have a bit of fun with the slalom, aren't we?
We are.
But this time, just to make it more interesting, if I go out here, we've got Schubert's is the first obstacle. Then we've got Angry Ken. Then it's Barbara's Beaver making a guest appearance. And new to the clan is
Wilma's Wombat.
Wilma's Wombat. Right then, Rob, so try not to kill any of our little furry friends. Tell me when you're ready.
Two hopes for that.
Tell me when you're ready, dude.
I'm sort of ready.
He's sort of ready, guys. Let me get over here. You can cut this, Rob, it doesn't matter.
Don't matter.
Doesn't matter. Go on then.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Here he goes. Oh, he's round. He's missed. He's missed the beaver. I can't remember the end animal. He's gone round that. Oh, watch Barbara. Angry Ken. And Schubert. That looked like a good run, Rob. You going to go again?
Yeah.
Just for fun?
Just for fun.
Go on then.
You ready?
Yeah.
Might try a bit faster.
He might go a bit faster. There might be some animals killed. Guys, don't report us.
3,
2, 1, go! And he's off. Oh, he's low! He's taken out! Schubert, he's dead! Oh my gosh! What are we going to do? We're going to get reported, mate.
Nah.
To the RSPCA.
Be alright.
Oh, it's the...
He's alright.
Yeah, he's alright. He's having to lie down. He's got his helmet on, look.
Got his nice red helmet.
He's got his nice red helmet on, so he's still alive to fight another day. Whatever you do, Rob, don't get him smack in the face.
I'll try.
I'll tell you, we're going to be reported to the RSPCA. Here he goes again then. He's getting on the line. Yeah, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
And he's off. Are the animals going to survive? He's made it all the way through without killing anything. He's missed Barbara's Beaver. Angry Ken, he's in there, and I missed him across the line.
Oh, no.
Good driving there, Rob. Oh, I'm going in instead of out. Right then, let's get some arty shots of this dude. Well, that was nice and easy. Oh, he's killed. Who have you killed?
Angry Ken.
Not Angry Ken. Oh no, poor Ken. I can see his backside. That's not very pretty.
That's because I was trying to do arty-farty shots.
Arty farty. It's me doing the arty farty shots, mate, with your camera.
I'm going.
Right, try to zoom the right way now. Okay. That was close. He's going round the wombat. Don't hit me, beaver. Oh, that was close.
Funny lane.
Oh! Is that Ken gone again?
Yeah.
Poor old Ken.
This is Mark having a go.
Oh, watch out, animals. I'm coming for you. Are you ready, Rob?
Oh, I certainly am.
Go! Oh, that was close.
It was.
Oh, it's juddering a bit.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Schubert, you lucky squirrel.
Oh, he's killed Barbara's Beaver. Oh, and again.
That was rude. Barbara's never going to forgive me, mate.
She's not.
Right then, Rob, I've picked up Barbara. I'm bringing her for a medical, okay?
Okay.
Here she comes. There you are, Bob.
That's gotta hurt.
Hang on a minute. It'll be all right. Give the beaver a stroke, Rob. There you go. He likes that. I'm going to
Right.
give it some Harry flatters.
Okay.
Right. Watch out, you furry your furry what?
You furry flippers.
Your furry flappers. Here we go. Oh! He's understeering like a pig. He's still on.
Hooray! Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh. Ooh.